We're here at the 2008 Audioholics State of the CE Union event, and we have JP Torres, Product Training Manager of Yamaha.
How are you doing, Gene?
Good, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
So we got all this Yamaha equipment here, some receivers, Blu-ray players. Why don't you give us a little rundown of what you're showing here today?
Well, we're happy to partner with you guys this year again. We're showing off our Z11 flagship piece, currently running a 7.1 system. So our flagship piece, we're very happy with this. What we're also able to demo is a brand new Blu-ray player, full Dolby Digital DTS and True HD and Master Audio support. And we're running that, of course, HDMI directly to our receiver. We're also displaying two new pieces, one that has already started shipping, which is our RX-V3900. What we're viewing right now is live Rhapsody internet content. You're able to stream either from Rhapsody, PCs in the home, or stream from internet podcast or internet music stations. And a brand new addition to our Z series line is our Z7.
Now this is the first time you guys have had two Z series receivers going at one time.
Absolutely correct. We're really excited about this piece. It's going to fill in a very nice price gap for us that we've had running from our RX-V line to our Z series. We're incorporating a lot of the technology from a Z11 down to the Z7, stripping it down a little, making sure it's a little bit more convenient for people in the price range and a smaller package. And we're thinking we're going to do really well with it this year.
Now the question I have to ask you, because we get it in our forums all the time, is what is the difference between a Z7 and a 3900? Because they're virtually identical weight, size.
Yes, and even wattage, spec-wise, wattage is the same. However, what we've been able to add is a better power supply, larger, oversized power supply. So the components aren't fighting for power. You're going to get a cooler running system and better audio and video quality out of it. That's one of the main pieces. We also have extended warranty, just like our Z series products. It's a 5-year warranty, gold-plated connections, along with the audio pure direct mode that we've handed down and the construction that we've handed down from the Z11. So a lot of small refinements overall. This is really for the connoisseur who wants the ultimate home theater performance that we can offer.
That doesn't need to have 50 channels of surround sound.
Correct.
Basically.
So we strip it down from 11 down to 7.
That's more reasonable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, and you got to show us a little bit about the interface.
What we have brand new to this year is an interactive GUI, similar to previous versions. However, it's all icon based now. So what we're able to do is show off cover art, whether it's from online content, PC content, USB drive, or iPod. We also have icons for XM, Sirius, Rhapsody, and also for our DSP modes, which we're quite proud of. For different movie, cinema modes, music modes, it'll be all picture-based. It makes navigation much, much more user-friendly.
Interesting. So you got a DSP mode for everybody's need, don't you?
We do indeed, and we're quite proud of it. We use this as often as possible to really demo the capabilities that we offer over our competition.
All right, so I noticed you got some height channels here. And with all these DSP effects, we're ready to be immersed in the experience.
We're quite excited, so we're happy to be here and show off everybody what we can do with our systems.
Great, thank you, JP.
Thank you, Gene.
Okay, now we're going to walk over to the EMP line of speakers that RBH is producing, and we're going to check out what they have new. Okay, now we are here with Darren Egan, the Vice President of Marketing for RBH, EMP, and Destination Audio.
Yes.
How you doing, Darren?
Good. How you doing, Gene?
You sound like a busy man with all these companies to manage.
I am very busy.
Okay, so what are we here to look at today?
Well, I wanted to say, first off, we're very happy that we're part of this event, and thank you for having us. The system that we have here in the Europe 5 room, it consists of all EF70 series speakers. Every model that you see here is a prototype, except for the subwoofers, which are the E10S subwoofers. The towers that are right behind you, Gene, are the E70S or E70T towers. These are a 3-way tower with a true Diapolito top end and the 5 1/4 inch woofers on the bottom there. That takes care of the low end of that speaker.
So are these a separated cabinet?
They are.
Inside? Okay.
Yeah, as far as I know, they are. The presence channels that are being used up here are the E70R bookshelf speakers. And no, sorry, just the E70 speakers. The E70C is the center channel, matching all the way through 5 1/4 inch aluminum cones. The best of the best in the EMP 70 or the EMP product lineup.
Okay. And we've got some speakers on the tables over here. Is this a new,
We
what's
do.
this little tower here that looks really
This is
nice?
our Impression Tower. This is a brand new product for EMP as well. The Impression series is, we've brought a bunch of prototypical models here to kind of get a feel and a handle on what the market is looking for as far as freestanding speakers go. So we've got quite a range of products that we've brought here. The Impression Tower, this is our EF50 series tower. The EF50 series is kind of unique. It has different baffles that can be put on the enclosure, the cabinet itself, to allow for different changes in aesthetics. The bookshelf and the center channel have all the same features. You can change the baffle out to match the decor of the room. Next to that is the EF30 series, which is the brand new version of that, which is the integrated fiberglass and fiberglass wove cone. We have 2 more samples of the EF70 bookshelf right there, and then we also have the E8 rock speaker, and that's available. That's in sandstone or granite, and it's available in granite and sandstone as well.
Okay, let's go back real quick to the EF70 towers. Give us an idea of availability and price of.
Availability, we're hoping around spring of 2009. Price, we're thinking roughly around $2,000, $2,500, possibly top end. We're shooting for the $2,000 price. We'd like to really.
Prepare, right?
That's prepare.
Okay.
Yeah, we'd really like to hit that $2,000 price point, but if we end up in the $2,500, it's probably because of the dollar and its effect and everything. Well, the economy's effect on the dollar at this point.
Okay. And what about this little tower over here that we have? How much do you think that's going to be at?
You know, quite interesting. We've had a lot of people look at that tower and tell us that it's worth around $2,500, and we honestly feel that we'll probably be able to put those 2 towers together for about $1,200 per set or under.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a really high-end cabinet. The way we're able to make it, and because of the sourcing and capabilities that we have the ability to make that tower for really cheap, and it's a performer. Bottom line, it's a performer.
Well, I'm ready to sit down and take a listen. So thanks for giving me a rundown.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks, Gene.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.